Right, here we go then. Hike 3 of 3. Day 3, hike 3. Gaustatoppen. So apparently from the top of this mountain you can see a sixth of Norway, 23,000 square miles. Really want to do it, get to the top, but it's tough. This is our third hike on the trot this, and after 14 miles yesterday we're a bit tired to be fair, but just got to do it. So that's exactly 2 miles. It's done, yeah, on a bit of scrambling. Yeah, loop round to your left, like, and yeah, use your hands on them rocks on your left. We're getting there, but it's just a lot tougher than I thought. This really is a lot tougher than I thought. Formed 1,000 million years ago when the European and North America continents collided. 1,000 million years. Unbelievable. Half a mile to go. Nearly there. So that's the true summit over there. That's the summit of Gaustatoppen, just along the ridge, but we're just really too tired after the last few days, constant. So we're not going to go another 700 metres along the ridge today. So that's Gaustatoppen. Not quite the highest point, but we've done too much the last 3 days, so pretty amazing.
drone there.
6,178 feet, highest I've ever been on a mountain, to be honest. Absolutely fantastic. God bless you, Mum. Bless you, Dad. Yeah, so in the 1950s there was a railway line built through the mountains. So to be honest, because we're so tired after 3 hikes in 3 days and 25 plus mile, thousands of feet of elevation gain, we're going to get the train back. So let's do that. Yeah, so we cheated a little bit on the way back down, but something different for sure. Got the train through the middle of the mountain. It was funded mainly by American military grants, built between 1954 and 1959. Cost of about $2 million US, not sure what that is in today's money, but quite a lot back then. But anyway, that's the end of the 3 days of hiking in Norway, and that was Gaustatoppen, that one. And that's actually the highest mountain I've been up, to be honest. 6,178 feet. So absolutely superb, Norway, and see you next time. Go on.
Yep, it's been a good one. See you later.
Bye.
The sweet water.
Get it down, you bloke. Alright, come on, should we touch on? Fucking touching on me, you.